Let's make my favorite quick dinner, sweet and spicy ground beef. No heavy chopping, no endless preps. Yes, we're taking all the shortcuts to get you from the stove to the couch in less than 20 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. And since you loved my last quick dinner for tired people, I wanted to show you how to make another quick, easy, and absolutely delicious recipe. So this is 80% lean, 20% fat. So you can use less oil. So I coat my pan, and because I'm going quickly, we won't be using any cutting boards. We go directly into the pot. We don't have time to fool around and fancy cutting board today. And truth to be told, this is what our parents did. And when you're cooking quickly, you have to just improvise. So now I'm just grating the garlic. Easy peasy. I'm using white onion. You can use any onion of your choice. Some scallion is a must. Tomato. This tomato will give your ground beef some juiciness. How easy was that? I'm adding thyme and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also gonna grate in a little piece of ginger. Not too much because we don't want it to overpower the recipe. Cover that and let the celebration take place in the pot. While that is happening, I'm gonna get my string beans ready. I'm telling you, everything goes faster without the cutting board. But before I focus on the string bean, let me deal with the rice so it can cook while we take care of the rest of stuff. I'm using jasmine rice. I'm gonna wash the rice. Add a little bit of salt, about a tablespoon of olive oil, and scallion. Now cover your rice and put your stove on a medium-high heat. After the water has reduced, then you can put it on a low heat so it can just steam. The seasonings are cooked, so it's now time to add the beef. Now I'm using my spatula to break it down before I add the seasonings. Now I'm going to season with salt, black pepper, some steak rub, onion powder, and Kinder's all-purpose. Cover that, medium heat, and let cook. Now the beef is halfway done, and just look how juicy that looks. And for the aroma, my mouth is already salivating. I can't wait to eat. Now that the water has reduced from the rice, this is the time to lower the flame and leave it to steam. To add a finishing touch to the beef, I'm gonna add some brown sugar, red pepper flakes, my favorite parsley, basil leaves, and a little smoking hot garlic. Mix this all together. So you call this sweet and spicy. A little sweet, a little spicy. I'm gonna sprinkle this all over. Add some stir-fry sauce to give you a nice little gravy. And combine all of the goodness. Perfect. Nothing needed. Just simmer on low until your rice and your string bean is done. I've washed and drained the string bean. For the string beans, I'm using a little toasted sesame oil, more grated garlic, I'm also using a handful of dried cranberries. Now for the string beans. Salt and pepper. A little onion powder won't hurt. So string bean is done. Beef is done. Let me fluff this rice. Rice is done. Now bring out your best china and serve yourself a healthy plate. And since we're talking about china, my advice to you is to use up the good plates, cups, forks, and spoons every time you cook because you deserve to eat from a pretty plate every day. And yes, I agree with you. This dinner may be the quickest dinner you've ever made, but that doesn't mean you have to serve it like you're feeding an orangutan. No, darling. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds and beautify your work of art. Michelin restaurants ain't got nothing on you. Talk truth. Don't this plate look eatable? And just like that, in 18.5 minutes, I am eating. And if you love this video, make sure you check out this one up here for another quick and easy and delicious recipe. Bye!